everybody, I'm Ali and today we're here in Imperial Spa here in Handy Road. It's located between Plaza Singapura and the Cathay. It's actually their newest branch, so let's go check it out.
They also have other outlets in Jalan Kayu, Bukit Timah, and Newton. The ambience of the spa is hotel-like, and they also have lots of massage rooms.
So the first thing I'm trying here in Imperial Spa is foot massage, and here is Anne doing a very good job. So you can have their foot massage here in this room or their mini theater. So after the foot massage, now I'm gonna get a shoulder massage.
All their masseuses are well experienced and